Alright, so we're here in Old Fort, North Carolina, and we stumbled upon a car show.
Surprise car show.
Surprise to me.
Car show.
Hattie, what are we doing?
Fine, Karen.
Hey, look inside.
Hey, Bonnie.
Look at these.
Yeah.
This is cool, Daddy.
What you think, Had?
It's freaky.
Call it on them.
Mommy, my feet is hating.
Oh, really? His feet are hurting.
You get in front of you real quick, Chris. Seats everywhere on this one.
See, what they do, they mow this grass.
Cool.
Yeah, it is cool, isn't it? It's like Papa's. Papa had one just like this.
Yeah.
Yep, just like it, red and all.
He has red and black.
His was red and white.
Yeah.
Wow, that's super cool.